In today's video I want to share different creative ways how to package handmade soap. Different in terms of material and style. The possibilities are endless, so let's have a look. The first very inexpensive and eco-friendly option is paper. There are of course many paper versions, colorful or solid, or very rustic looking like this craft paper here. You can simply wrap your soap like you would wrap a present and use some adhesive to secure it. To finish it off, you can add a label describing the soap or add a stamp to the front as an example. If you choose to leave your soap more open, a cigar band is a great idea. You can still smell the soap and it can breathe as well. Trim the paper of your choice to size and wrap it around the soap. A decorative element such as a ribbon or some stickers are a fun addition. You could also add a soap label to the cigar band. These packaging solutions are quite simple yet amazing. If you want to invest in a punch board, there are more variations you can create, such as a pillow box like you can see here. You will need some thicker paper to work with, and using your imagination you can decorate the box as you like. Here are some examples. If you have an envelope punch board, you can create a box fitting exactly the size of your soap. A separate video is available for you on my channel that I will link here below. Moving on to a different material and style, there is textile as a packaging possibility. Here you can see a linen bag for a very natural option. A jute twine bag not only is a cool packaging idea, but also provides exfoliation when used containing the soap bar. Hemp can be used too. By the way, this is a handmade project that is very easy to make, even if you don't have any previous crochet experience. Cotton can also be crocheted into a soap bag for a more softer option. A popular packaging for handmade soap is organza. Such bags come in many colors and are relatively inexpensive. Other types of fabric can be used as well. These are cotton drawstring bags that are very easy to make, even if you don't have a sewing machine. Let's have a look at a complete different style that works for both cold process soap as well as for melt and pour, which is plastic. Shrink bags are very practical, hygienic and inexpensive. Shrink bags are available in different sizes as well and are easy to use with a heat gun. You can add a label describing the soap to the front as well as to the back. The soap will be still visible if you package it this way, which is great. Here you can see the same option on melt and pour soap. There are also shrink bands with a perforation for easy removal. These bands leave the soap a bit open on the sides, providing airflow and a possibility to smell the soap. A very inexpensive, hygienic and sleek look in my opinion. Using such shrink material makes it possible to package different shapes of soap as it adjusts to the form itself. Another plastic option are self-sealable bags, also inexpensive and practical. There are many styles and sizes to choose from, even very simple with no design or color if you prefer. Cellophane bags work great, especially for cupcake soap. Tags and ribbons add even more value to the handmade soap. Still in the plastic category, there are these chocolate boxes. These are food safe and therefore ideal, especially if you sell your soap. You can personalize it by adding a decorative layer at the bottom of the box or a ribbon or similar decorations. These boxes come in different sizes. You could even make gift boxes containing multiple soaps. Here are some variations for you to see as an idea or for inspiration. A complete different packaging method is metal. A metal box is a great idea and at the same time reusable and travel friendly. There are also many variations of metal or aluminum tins that work great on round soaps too. You can add, of course, a label for the description. Moving on to a complete different possibility with these bakery packaging items that complement the style of soap pastry beautifully. They are food safe, which is great for handmade soap. You can find so many variations and styles. This sandwich box that can hold a soap cake slice is a cute idea as well. Or what about cupcake bakery boxes to display your soap cupcakes? This would work great as a gift, don't you think? There are also cupcake liners that come with a lid for single cupcakes. They also come in different colors, sizes and styles. You can find a large variety online as well. The next option might be a bit unusual but very unique in my opinion. You could use a soap dish to present your soap. Soap dishes come in many forms and variations. Here you can see a wooden one and an old-fashioned one. A soap shell as a soap dish is a very interesting choice. You could wrap your soap in it using some cellophane and a ribbon. Very elegant and classy. If you are into DIY, you could create your own unique soap dishes using polymer clay. That way you can choose color, size and style and even poke some drainage holes in it to keep the soap nice and dry. I have a separate video here on my channel going over the details on how to create your own soap dish if you want to check it out. Some soaps can be poured directly into a ceramic bowl. This applies, for example, to shaving soap or even dish soap. Very user-friendly and a really elegant packaging idea at the same time. Adding a shaving brush or a dish brush, depending on what you make, is a great gift set. I hope this video gave you some ideas or inspiration. Feel free to check out the playlist here on the screen for more soap-related videos. I hope to see you in the next video and until then, have a wonderful day. Bye bye!